bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduke cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingiya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri go musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Take yamo ya utukira igoro ye Chinsa Ikomi chaborno morgo bari tukeri gari Ramis Ekeonga senchira yo wengi itukira rero ni gaba menye banyancho abo bayinanete oboremo gochiase kanisa ya nyancho Adventist barobekana asekeria buna oboremo bayinanete gochia ase kanisa yo ni gobo niwe nabo igo komochia oborai obwe skuru ya nyancho nyagitari ya nyancho nabo igo ekanisa ya nyancho okwana nabarikiwa manganani igo batagete obwaso kukoro ase oboteneneri wekanise yuho igoro yoboremo bwo wechieka emerongene na ibire gose 42 hectares asabo igo bemurunganiri aho gosie kwa kunya gitari ya nyancho eyo yase kwa angichi wiki ibere osango motienyo etre kuwatikana no bokurumi ase murubirosha kurende Pastor Job obara oyoro moteneneri bwo bwerani bwa mangana ase orogongo rwa South Nyanza Conference nigo eso kana okwandre ngiro korobekana uko asagi kira chinkwanecho nakoteba bori mu bwoti bora korumwa gose koneri wa company deos.
The total acreage that was donated was 42 acres. Whatever has been done in here, we are not very sure, but we are still investigating. And the moment we get the acreage that has been grabbed, then we will not hesitate but to come in public and tell our people this has been grabbed from us. But they should respect our institutions and they should respect our community land.
As you all know that for the last 3 months or 2 months ago, now this hospital is not operating because it's under corruption. SHA thing is affected now the treatment, and we as the locals around, we are not happy. We are feeling so much neglected, so much like segregated. We are not into any discussions.
We want to audit the human resource in this hospital because nobody from the community is employed here or offering any services.
Any qualified staff.
So even the person who are leading this hospital, they are not qualified. So all those human resources are supposed to be audited. And the company, we demand to be told who is the owner of this company that the hospital land is registered under.
We are having some clues that this Nyanchwa Adventist and Nyanchwa Health Center now is under somebody's land, and it's limited. You know, when it's limited, we feel that it's somebody's.
Pastor Job Obara, the communication director for South Kenya Conference. But I heard and I've been called, along with the other leaders, what is happening. I want to recognize their concerns from members of the Nyanchwa community. But let me say there is a complete misunderstanding and misrepresentation of information. We have nothing much that we can say at the moment. Because some of the things which I've heard is that Nyanchwa land has been sold. It's not sold. Some people have allocated themselves land in Nyanchwa. It's not. This is a lease land. And lease land is not community land. It is county government land. And we are responsible tenants at this place.
Abonchoreria bakabake korwa ensemo ya mwembe gotoka ibunge ya Nyabibari chache kaunti ya Kisii nigo bagendete kubarana korera asare nene kubwatikana no botagori bwebyoski okokogerete ase nsemeyo gose ase pare nene kurumucho bosongo korwa gochia ase mochio Kilgoris korengana na barabu ekeiga nigo kiabairaniri magega ase obonchoreria bwabo nabuna tibairi mangana gose nuts mapema igoriyo botagori obwo warobeire korwa amatuko amagega na kuboria gokonyo konyora obwene bwabo
batabeti bantu no bari bintu no bireme bagasa gotagore bintu bireme bakeste bano yalenke gansa komesa ona batagore te bintu bagasa bakama bati kino not simbarweti
bono no kuma ko omuntu asara enasana nda kwenda gaiga ngaba como sintia ngora gake so gwanje kwabo kimbako sa ko rusi bintu pikafura beto mwenye ngaki ko isbare binte diga kwa to mungino yo kiano mubora kale bono ya konyo no konya ka simuni ko konya bana bale nerebe konyo bueno nkendoro obeka muno kubwate kana onde ko makonya bona kabeka atika kole onya konya singi sana no ura mtini kole chia makonya abono edwa kwa asara babukate ne ebitu ya ko bibia ngime bibia sare dukurume bono basa dukurushi binde binde biwate kredi bono baba ko usio kana kunguza kotukuta bono basi ko usvire binde bitega biate kete bono basi tu kiwa kora kubwate kana ba maito sinko chakere bono basi tu ko so ko chale ko kutako kora makabeka abantu asapo basi binde kete ba konya kete bikego
bande biata ko le tu inchoyo mobo na nyorta sareyo biasara na peketega iga konyona kanire deposit mitinye tatu konyore taraera ebintu bya biasire torro ese eri ya ku nyoka gaga na gari ebintu binde bikagenda ntanyale ko kurikaba weterana ntwa tu notice ko rusie binte bimi tyo twale kwa saba onyondi yale konyalikana eserikali yeito etokonye na ito agento keke tuchiko chake stoko gende kiegere bona stoko chintoroji enga mne tori mne aseke sunte
Unenchera yamo yokorinda ebintu itanene gose amazingira nigo abantu bagenderete konyora obosemia na megerio iguru yobosimiki emete na kwegera rire ukona ase skuru yoborosi ya Kyogo imeye bonge ya tutu chache South County ya Kisii nigo aborokia na aborokiwa ba umerana eliogo chengera a week ya World Climate Action Week nigo baruro kubogia gotia sekera oyomo kwebwatirania ase omoroberio wo kwegera rire nabo igo korinda ebintu biri bitoitanaine.
Omote. Today we are here to celebrate World Climate Action Week, and we are in this institution together with our teachers and our students who are eager to participate in this important occasion. We are aware that the world, especially in Africa, we are experiencing climate crisis, which has come as a result of emissions of gases to the atmosphere, which have depleted our atmosphere. And now, today, we are here so that we can be able to teach young people, and also in solidarity with other organizations and other people across the world, so that we can be able to mitigate and also adopt systems that are good.
A deputy teacher Ekeonga primary and junior. And then in Vagario teacher Mr. Luke Court, Yotanya Ruka because of we to be a motanga, we have a second day to go. I sing a kitchen out at the school to a walk sana. I sing a project, one of us, Arang and Intuit Tonya Livageli. I say Jera, Yokorosi environment, Yato, waiter as Osmeko emite. As a school, nabatuanji dega siesana, na wani ntungora asimeka zore compound, tora asimekiri mete menge, ikiagera nambe yamo emeteye, ika komenta, the beauty, eko make our school to be beautiful. At the same time, we get fresh air. Kera tuwate mete around, na wako nyanga na mbeo toko yana, igere mbeo eyerengi sana. Igo obasimeki we mete, nege ntokere eki sana, whereby we are encouraging kero monto nonyena setore chinka asobwata sarake onyare ko bago gosimeke emete elinde elio emeteye enyare ko make your compound to look beautiful. At the same time, it's one way of conserving the environment.
Waziri w'uburinzi bw'ime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen mambia rero nigo IKB karobya jukwaa la usalama kaunti ya Kisumu. Okwana n'abariki bamangana bose bwebikarebyo Murkomen niga kwanera umurobero bwogochi kolika abanyanyimbo abayakiri bukomi asate abumurobero yo nigo oracho korekana asenchira yobwene n'obwasyoku asengencho ekyombekere ky'abanyanyimbo kya NPS gose National Police Service nigo kyaberege komochiwano bokurumi asemo yende niga kwanera umurobero bwobocholi oboke obwoborobere nabarachigo korekana chitarike 25 cy'umutinyo Ikomi na rimwe ase ateba bune wizara y'uburendi bw'ime mbache kwena na oburendi bw'esaine na nigo aragebyara bari baracho guturubanya imisangirekano y'abamerere aba.
Guidelines for recruitment. The National Police Service Commission is now currently in a meeting, and they will give us clarity of directions. I do not want to preempt the discussions. Of course, I have been briefed, and eventually we will have, we want no bribery. The recruitment to National Police Service doesn't go to the highest bidder. That is our plan. Corruption is one area. As you know, we have been accused in the National Police Service to be very corrupt. And in this Jukwaa Usalama, part of our discussion is how can we get rid of corruption in our midst. And part of that is also in our recruitment. We want to make sure that from the word go, the deserving persons are recruited National Police Service, not those who have bought their way. So that is ongoing. On the question of by-elections, that we will, the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission require the campaign, the aspirants to provide their campaign schedule. And that is not just for the sake of it. It's usually so that we can provide the necessary security support. So we are ready and prepared. and where there is need, because it's a few areas where we are having these by-elections, we are ready to support the county security team by bolstering their strength, getting officers from other parts of the country to come and support them where there is need to ensure that there is law and we are maintaining law and order. It is also, you know, it is an election offense to disrupt a meeting of your competitor or to engage in criminal activity. So again, where IBC will find anybody committing election offense, we are ready to enforce it also in terms of ensuring that those people are prosecuted, charged, arrested and prosecuted.
Chinga kyekyekyo murikomeniga kwanira na kugikiria ebikorwa by'okuonererwa kwa baswati n'ekisegi kyegenga murikomenigo agikiria gekore gyakorekanite ritukira mwisonde meye bunge ya Suba North county ya Migori ase omunyaruko yomo bw'emyaka 13 gose 13 years ore ekirasi gya JSS atachere twinse na magega yaye bakagira abo nigo bamusiare tuswamwe murete ACD ase Chinsemo cy'umubiroye na komongenta murikomeniga teba bachakire obutuki igoro yegakorekyo ekebe ase boigo agikiria chimbwa chensemeyo echicheirere abana abakegosariwa.
The other phenomenon that is serious here is the gender-based violence. Sexual and gender-based violence is very prevalent. In this county, the national average is 32%. In this county, it's 36%. And in this region also is higher. You are aware that yesterday there was a girl who was defiled and brutally murdered in Migori. And the Inspector General of Police has already sent us a team from the headquarters to support the county team to make sure that we get to the bottom of that act that happened yesterday. But this is not just one case, like the case of Migori yesterday. It's happening all over. This county, as I said, 36%. Part of the reasons why it's prevalent is because of repugnant practices, including disco matanga, including wife inheritance, including issues that related to broken family ties. And this as the people who defile our children are those whom they expect greater protection. Again, we want to ask non-governmental organizations, churches, our chiefs, our assistant chiefs to raise greater awareness through barazas, to also the community to cooperate with us to make sure that these criminals are apprehended, and the National Police Service must take very stern action against this issue. Again, because it's widespread in many parts of the country, we are going to have to look at this issue even with greater focus. We do not have rescue centers here, so it's important also that the county government invest in rescue centers to make sure that we can deal with these issues.
Tuko chakorera mokonyo muraiwense Professor from Kithure Kindiki nigo asioliribuna muraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ritkura ankyo nigara chekurotota abantu bali aberikire no murobero bobubone osha na engere bayabo yakirarituko muyigo yo nigora chekorekana ase nyomba yobora ya State House omochi o Nairobi magayaya nigo muraiwense ara chekoro oroboti igoro yabantu emilione ya monu utaisano abo barachegwa kanerwa chibesa cyo murobirosha ne serikali.
Kesho mtaona pale Ikulu tumeanza sasa, kwa sababu tumeanza kuassess wale watu wamejisajili kwa SHA ni wangapi, na tumeanza kuassess mapato ya watu mbalimbali ambao ni members wa SHA wamekuwa registered. Kesho rais ameitana pale Ikulu na atatangaza vile serikali itasaidia zaidi ya Wakenya 1.5 milioni kulipiwa SHA, hawatalipa hata ndururu. So we are going to start with the initial 1.5 million Kenyans who are indigents. They cannot afford. Hata ukiwaambia 300 hawana. Yes, si kweli? Yeah. So when we said about this thing, people thought we are joking. So kesho ngojea pale Ikulu utasikia rais akitangaza the first 1.5 million. Na tutaendelea kuongeza idadi ya wale tunalipia. Wale wengine wataambiwa walipa 300, wengine 500, wengine 600, wengine 1000. Ule wako na pesa kama wabunge wanakatwa 30,000. Ndio unasikia wanalialia. Lakini wanapata pesa mingi. Deputy President pia anapata pesa mingi, akatwe pesa mingi. So that we create an equal country. Na hii mradi ya afya, hii program ya afya is going to be one of the greatest success stories for the Kenya Kwanza administration. Leo hii tukiwa hapa, unajua mimi napata ripoti kila siku saa 4 ya usiku. Tumefikisha Wakenya wangapi wamejisajilisha? Today we have registered 26.3 million Kenyans. Hiyo ni karibu nusu ya watu wote wa taifa la Kenya. So it is slowly becoming universal. Today 26.7 million Kenyans wamejisajili. We want by December that
Chavutokire chitaika 15 iguru ye Chinsa Ikomi chabona muragoba mancho origereria na raito akwariganiritie kurwa mese Ekeonga Chinsa isano na ibere na boigo Chinsa Ikomi ritkeria ramisa senchira yo wenge korenda yamona yanda mange ni ibere nenye chubutkuba rero nere haruno toto nyangiri chenkro wakati Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kurasomo na we manyerero Kevin Ongeri nero koneke bana chibichechi na madingo kirachiria senchira yo wakano bye bye tumra neritkeria ankyo tuara umurogobumi.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo wate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete ni gukwaye nyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Company ya Falcon bonno nigo egukorereria amangana matununto asamatao aye umureme nigo bonno bakoretere embusuro y'ikibando eyo ya ETG M601 eyo ekwama asegeka cy'amatuko emiye mona 25 wika emiye mona 30 oka bandega nigo egoichuriye buya asekemba gyonsi nabo ego ekobo abuya amasakara Kogunda na nigo teriko igwa uburuire bw'ekibando betani gutegwa uburuire teriko ratabichondo bwege company ni bakoretere ubuyu bubusimeka ebimeri bwa Kaino Music obubumentre NPK obusyarira chikiro 50 nebere yuka aseka